So, this is the unboxing of the Viltrox L116T. Here's my box straight from Amazon. I was doing this with one hand, so bear with me here. And look, inside the box is another box. Who would have thought? Alright, now slowly move those flaps over. Zoom in a little bit. Yep, there's a little barcode there. Perfect, perfect. Now, let's see what happens now and pull that out. Nope, let's flip the box over and just let it slide out. There you go. That a boy. And there it is, the L116T Kit Professional LED Light. Comes with everything you need. Simple packaging, nothing extravagant, and that works absolutely fine. No need for anything else. So let's see what's inside. So inside, we've got some paperwork. Yep, there's a very, very quick owner's manual guide thing in Chinese and English. Let's see, there's a warranty card thing, which I'm not going to bother filling out because I'm not shipping this all the way back to China if something goes wrong, and it wasn't all that expensive anyway, so if anything goes wrong, I'll just buy another one. And there it is, the certificate of quality control. Has a little stamp on it. It's certified from Viltrox, directly from the factory, so you know it's the real deal. And now here comes the actual LED light. Ah, yeah. And pull that box out, and oh, wait, what's that? Oh, wait. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, that looks like a battery charger. Yep, there it is. There's the battery charger. Which is pretty obvious because it says battery charger right on it. It's got a little swivel plug there. Just swivels out, plug it into the wall. Nice little travel pack. Throw it in your pocket. And if you have big pockets, like a big jacket with some big pockets, you can throw the LED light in the pockets and then blind all the passengers on the airplane. You wouldn't want to do that, though. And here I am struggling, trying to get the battery out with one hand. And, okay, well, all right. So here's the battery. And, yeah, it actually has, on one end, it's got a couple of holes which line up on the back of the LED light itself. So you need to line those up and slide them in. And there's the cold shoe / hot shoe / light stand / tripod mount that the light actually goes on to. It has a little nub on one side there. It has a little notch and fits into a hole on the bottom of the LED panel. And then you just tighten up the little bolt thing, and it's got a screw thread for tripod, 1/4 inch. And here comes the light. I see the light. I see the light. There we go. You've got your adjustable knob there. You got your power switch and the little LED readout. And then you've got the completely diffused front panel where all the LEDs are. And a little silica gel packet there. I mean, overall, I mean, the construction's really good. And on the bottom there, you see those two gold pegs. That's where that's what lines up with the battery itself. Those two holes right there at each edge of the battery, and then you just put her in and push it down, and that's about it, man. And yeah, I didn't even realize that it was already on when I got it. I didn't check that. And there's the LED panel showing the battery level, the percentage of lumens, and the color temperature. So 100% and all that fun stuff comes out of the, well, mine came out of the box at 4400K. But I usually, after playing around with it a little bit, I think I've settled on 4300K. But here's the difference of with the light and without the light. It's a pretty significant difference. It is a pretty powerful light. It's not the most powerful, but it's beautifully diffused. Alright, so this is the Viltrox L116T LED light. I freaking love it. Anyway, right now I'm recording this without the light on. This is just ambient light coming in through the windows over here. It's a very overcast day. It's all cloudy, no sun. And I've got the light on this side. And so this is what video looks like with no lighting whatsoever. And now I'm going to turn it on. And this is what it's like when you actually have it illuminated, and man, is it beautiful. It's got adjustable color temperature, stepless. It's got adjustable output from 20% up to 100. It's got a battery level on it. It's an absolutely fantastic light. Let's see. Just pull it off here, and I will show you without... Oh, come on. There we go. All right, so see right here, we've got the adjustments that you can make. If you can notice the reflection here. How much brighter it can go. It's 100 and all the way down to 20. And then to change the color temperature, just push this button in, and then you can adjust how cool the light is and how warm the light is. Press it in again. I'm going to crank this up a little bit. And we are at 20. There we go. So right now it is at 3300K, which is the lowest it'll go. So 33 up to, I believe, 56. So let's start changing the color temperature here. And it is pretty much stepless. And there's no loss of lumens in regards to the actual output. What it does is it combines the LEDs that are inside to change the actual temperature. I'm not sure if you'll be able to actually see that happening, but if you look around the edges, you might be able to see it. There are two different sets of LEDs in here, but with the diffuser panel, it's actually a very, very wide spread of light. And yeah, it's got the battery, has a battery level, and the difference that this makes is absolutely phenomenal. I usually run it at 4300K. Yeah, but I mean, I'm completely and utterly happy with it. It's absolutely fantastic light, and for what did I pay? $57.99 on Amazon, Canadian. Came with the battery charger, everything, all ready to go, plug and play, portable. It's perfect. Go get one right now.